YouTube? It is your boy PUG here, coming to you with another Minecraft video. But today, guys, our health bar is very different from what it was last time, and I need to run because we got attacked by a witch. Okay, we have something that might poison us, so. Sorry guys, but you guys might not hear me clearly. I can't speak very well right now. It's night. Oh my god, guys, we're dead. So what happened off camera was I went to find a house, which was pretty bad. So yeah, creeper, no. Okay, and I don't even know where I am. Like, I just recognized that floating birch thingy. But all I can do right now is walk. And I'm looking for some animals so I can eat either raw flesh. Wait, guys, I think I might know what I have to do right now. Oh my god, guys, our house. Where? Sorry guys, that was my bro. So, we just need to sleep. Please. No, we forgot. Okay, fine. Is there anything in the furnace? Is there anything? Okay, fine. We need that. There's a skeleton outside my door. Okay. Eat. So, as I was telling you guys earlier, I got ambushed by a witch, and I got poisoned. I got slowness. I died. Cause I went away to gather some. I went away, guys, to gather some. Sorry, can't speak. I went away to gather some wood, cause today we are gonna be building a new house. I mean, how sick is that? Okay, we're just gonna leave the rest of our cube. Okay, here's skeleton. Skeleton. I'm so bad at PvP. Oh, wrong button. No. Just reading some more. Guys, this episode has been so crazy. So, as I was saying, I found this epic new location for a house. And now the skeleton. Are you kidding me? Okay, wait, guys. Let me just take this skeleton. Oh my god, die. No. How come skeleton? Okay, so, as I was saying, so I found this place right here, but what we're going to be doing today is building a house. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Face it, feel it. So yeah, anyway, this is the location that I had chosen. What happened to this? Oh my god, run, skeleton. Yeah, that's how I come to the daylight. Are you dead? Yep. No, he's gonna shoot me and set me on fire. Fire! Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be really hard journey. No, die. Cause, yeah, there is the place I found sheep. I need to meet. One shot. There. At least now we have something to eat. So as I was saying, guys, this is the place. This is the epic place where I was looking for to. But not just here. there's like a natural staircase up to an like epic overhang. Just sec. Just gotta get the start here. And yeah, now I can start speaking properly because I just really scared about the mobs. They might even be here now. Okay, so anyway, there is this kind of like overhang kind of place. And that's where I want to build a house because that place like looks so cool. I think it's yes, right there. So anyway, guys, I'm not going to be speaking much this video. Ooh, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit! Come here, kid! Come here, kid! Ooh, we got some rabbit. My God, I gotta treasure that. A rabbit just died of fall damage. Whoa! And you guys don't know. You guys know who. Come here! Yeah, you died as well. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, so let's start a proper video now. Okay, so guys, the goal, as I said 100 times before, is to build a house, and it's gonna be on this really cool, like, you know, really cool, like, yeah, overhang. That's the word. So I'm just gonna build like an easy stairway. No, you know what? This isn't working. Oops. Oops. Okay. Cow, don't push me off. And guys, voila, we have made it to the top of the overhang with Random Cow. Okay, so yeah, this is the location I want to be on, right? Yep. So as you guys can see, this is a random overhang that I was looking at. So all I did was, but Cow is so fast. Okay, so this overhang was like so cool, don't you guys think? So let's get started. So I was thinking we could build kind of like a tree house after we get out all the animals because we really need the meat. So yeah, I was thinking we should build a tree house because tree houses are like by far the most convenient and gives you a little free mob protection as well. So yes, at one point I will have to fence this area off. I fall off or something. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start by first smelting some food because I've worked really badly on an empty stomach. Okay, so first guys, we're just gonna place down a double crafting table, furnace, and we're gonna smelt some of this because I love that. Okay, yeah. So I just want to put some of that in there. I just want to make some. Yeah, I just want to make some sticks. I think there's something behind me. I think there's a skeleton behind me. No! Ooh, it's finished. It's finished. This should not make me hungry, should it? Okay, I'm sorry guys. I cannot commentate very well this video. Ooh my god, that that hit the spot. Okay, so anyway, oh my god, why am I doing this to myself? We are gonna be building a house. That's the millionth time I've said this. And wait, isn't this the ladder? Wait, I forgot how to craft a ladder. Where is the ladder? Not here, not here. Huh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know I can just do controlled crafting. So and yeah, so the tree is gonna be this tree. So I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna talk. I have all sorts of excuses, including that I do not build very well when I talk. So here is the top of our tree house. So let me just get on clearing some like this. And bam, 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 bam. So yeah, this is gonna be the base, and now we can just like expand over. And I don't want to cut ahead because this is a survival series, and I don't feel any survival series should be cut ahead, whether it's I don't know, a quest or anything. So since this is gonna most probably be a permanent house until we find a stronghold and find a multiplayer. Oh yeah, and anyway, guys, forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna start with a multiplayer friend. His name is like Kidnaminer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Just kidding. It's only up to 6. And wait, no, I have to make a bed first, don't I? So let's just go down. You know what? Ah! And I'm just gonna make a bed with wool, white bed, perfect. So just in case I die, I will respawn here. Yeah. Okay. So let's get on with building, shall we? So I was thinking, I was thinking of making this like an enormous tree house, cause at one point I'm sure my friend is gonna join in, and he. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Wait, what happened? My mouse. Wait, guys. Oh, sorry. So sorry about that. Oh, random errors. Such random errors. But you know, it's gonna be hard. So, let's see. Okay, let's just break down this portion. Oh, look at that. Anyway, before I got distracted, let's see. How wide do I want this to be since I'm here? Okay, let's extend this to that tree. And like, cause we need at least 5 rooms. And that's why I'm an off-camera collected wood. So let's just get this up top. So that is how big we want our house to be, and how wide. I guess we decide that. Okay. That is the weird, the like, how, the, sorry guys, I just suck at math. That is the thingy, like the length by breadth. I think this is, yeah, this is the length. So this is the length, and I guess that's pretty big already. Okay, so let's break out this person right over here. And oh yeah, I was playing Clash Royale, ironically, because I was thinking about whether I was gonna get my legendary chest today or not, and it turned out he's playing Clash Royale. So sorry if you guys can hear that in the background, but it's Clash Royale. So anyway, wait, we just wanna. No, I think this is gonna be the final length of the house. And wait. Oh. Okay. This. Wait. Wait, what's the time? Okay. Whew. Get back. PUG back. And roughly, yeah, that should be enough. If I get that out of the way. Come here. So guys, I am so sorry, but I will need to split this into 2 episodes. So, this is our episode end, because it's an emergency. Bye. See you guys later.